Hello to everyone. I am Professor Raja, working as Assistant Professor, EC Department, SNS College of Technology, an autonomous institution in Coimbatore. In this YouTube video, with the help of my second year students, I am going to discuss about how the semiconductor technology is used in real-time applications. As they know, they are already studied what is the use of semiconductor and how this semiconductor will rule the current technology. Now, each one will about their view on how this semiconductor is used on real-time application. Now, I give my dice to students. How the various semiconductors are used in the real-time way. Next, Vidya will continue.
So, good morning everyone. I'm Vidya from IoT-based. And as we know, the semiconductors are the tiny brains in this modern technology. It runs AI, 5Gs and EVs, etc. So the scientists say that silicon reaches its limits, so we need new materials to manufacture something different. And engineers says that it is necessary to create it in a smart way, not just smaller. And manufacture reminds us it is costlier to manufacture a chip. So most of the analytics shows that it is mostly taken from the Taiwan and Korea, the manufacturers of chips, everything. So it increases the supply risks also. So the strategists talk the big demand on AI and EVs in the countries for the self-reliant. Even in policymakers, it includes chips in the national security with national and nations investment is high. Thank you.
Good.
And I'm Hardy from second.
So hello everyone, I'm Yamna from second ECC. Here I'm going to talk about the semiconductor technology. So semiconductor are the brain of today's technology. So traditionally we made chips using silicon, but if we shrink them, silicon reaches its limits. That's why scientists exploring new materials such as gallium nitride, silicon carbide and graphene. So gallium nitride is used for electronic vehicles for fast charging, and silicon carbide is used for high generating electronics, and graphene is used for ultra fast transistors. So the challenge is these new materials are so expensive and does not have a strong manufacturing ecosystem. So our biggest question is, still we have to improve the silicon or just focus on the next generation materials.
Good. So.
Good morning everyone, and I'm Hardy from second ECC. As the manufacturing expert, to make semiconductor fabrication, it extremely costly. For example, the TSMC's 5 nm fab costs around $20 billion, which is extremely costly. To make, for example, to make a 3 nm fab, we should rely on extreme lithography, and it also requires atomic level precision. So this process also has some disadvantages like yield loss, defect control, and more on. And also as a market analyst, I focuses on global market and supply chain. The world mostly depends on few hubs, like the companies, TSMC, Taiwan's semiconductor manufacturing company, and South Korea's we depend on memories, and also and the US companies like Nvidia, Intel, and Qualcomm, and China is still catching up. The 2022 years that shows us the chip shortage, which fragile the system that it leads to some delays on cars, smartphones, and also some vehicle devices.
Good.
Hello everyone, I am Hariharan. I am explaining the policy maker, government and geopolitical assets, talking the point, national security and the chips, defense the AI telecom, US chip and US chip and the science arts 2022 Indian program and the Indian semicon.
So as my student discussed, This semiconductor is not only a small technology, but this can provide a large difference compared to all other techniques like manufacturing, automation, and semiconductor. As that student Harini told, if you compare the manufacturing scenario in 1997 to now 2015 or 2025, the cost of manufacturing a semiconductor were from $1 million now it's come under the thousands of ranges. Recently, our Indian government, the Narendra Modi government, they launched a new field of semiconductor manufacturing inside India. So the first manufacturing of semiconductor inside India was the Vikram 32-bit semiconductor. I hope based on our student discussion, you may know that how this semiconductor technology are implemented in our real today life. Thank you for all. Thank you for watching the video.